Greetings everyone, welcome back to Science Appreciated, watching the annual eclipse of 2023 live in my backyard in Southern California. This is the Ring of Fire eclipse. It's not a total eclipse, but still we are getting a spectacular view, and I'm going to show you how to build a pinhole camera, which will allow you to safely see this eclipse anywhere at any time, and also watch future eclipses as well. It's a very simple thing to build. All you need is a few materials. That is a piece of paper and a pencil, and that is all. And all it takes is about 2 minutes to build, unless you want to go a little deeper into it and build a bigger one like I did as well. But I'll just show you how to build a simple one. It only takes about 2 minutes, and let's get right to it. Alright, so this is all you need. You just need a couple of pieces of paper and a pencil. So let's take a look. So as you can see, the eclipse is just still a tiny bit of the moon is in the sun, so we'll still get an effect, but I used cardstock for the top. I found out it blocks out the sun better than paper, but you can use paper for the base. It really doesn't matter though, as long as you block the sun. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna poke a little hole in right here. Alright, you see that? A little hole. And make sure it's round, it's not square shaped or something. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go get this other piece of paper, this one right here, and you're gonna go put the piece of paper on top. Sorry, let me turn around the camera so you can see it better. The sun is at a different angle here than what I'm showing you. Alright, so let me just find that shadow. Okay, 1 minute. Alright, so, and it can be a little finicky at first, as you can see, but there you go. And if you zoom in on that right there, you can see a slight little bite in the sun, and that is the moon, and that is your pinpoint camera. It is easy to do as that. Now if you have a little more time on your hands and you want to make a much greater looking pin, a bigger one, you can definitely go to the extra mile and do something like this. You can see the sun goes through the hole right here, then it goes through the box. The box is just there for shade, and then it shines on here. Oh, and just one last quick point. If you happen to make your own pinhole camera and got a photo of the eclipse from it, please feel free to put some of those photos in the comments below. I would love to see them, and I'm sure everyone else who watches this video would love to see them as well. But anyway, that's all. And if you enjoyed this video, please do feel free to hit that subscribe button, but only if you felt this deserved it. Until next time, thanks for visiting Science Appreciated. I appreciate you being here.